Okay guys, we are installing a MSD distributor cap and rotor kit. Supposedly it's the terminals are made of brass, which they recommend when you're replacing your distributor cap and rotor. This is going to go on the 1990 Mustang, made by MSD, purchased from LMR. And it's simple install. I'm not going to use the cap, MSD cap. I'm just going to, the Mustang has a rubber cover on top of it. So I'm just going to use the existing factory OEM cover. But this generally would go on top of this here, and you would screw it down. All right, basically the rubber cover comes off the distributor, and I ran it one time without the rubber cover and got into a heavy rainstorm and actually screwed up the spark. It was sputtering, so I kept this rubber cover, never took it off again, left it off. I'm trying to do it with one hand here. As you can see, the strut tower brace is in the way a little bit. Well, I am going to have to actually remove the strut tower brace because I cannot get the cover off, and it's I cannot pull the one of the spark plug wires out. It's actually just touching on the strut tower brace, so I'm gonna have to remove the strut tower brace to get at the distributor cap and rotor. So you can see it's a Ford Motorsports part. I'm not too sure the age of it. The wires and spark plugs are fairly new, so we're going to try this new MSD distributor cap and rotor, see how it works. But I got to get that strut tower brace off first. End up breaking a bolt. I guess the neck got cross-threaded. So now the strut should come off, and we should have access to our distributor cap. There we go. It is off. All right, we're going to switch off the wires one at a time. This is the second one. All right, there's that one. We're going to go with this one. That one goes here. It. Okay. one's going to go on this one. Okay, this one is going to go on the far one. Okay. First one past the clip. All right. This far one is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Broke it loose. And that one's going to come right across. Go on this one. Nice. All right, hopefully we got them in the right order. Yeah, they're a little pitted, not too bad. The rotor's seen better days. Okay. We got our rotor in there. Let's see if this fits on here now, right? Yep, now we got it. Nice. All right. All right. This one's going to go across to here. Looks good. It's like I said, let's just hope I got them in the right order. Okay guys, we got our rubber booty cover back on. We're going to see how it works. We're going to try starting the car, see how it runs. MSD claims a high conductivity and an unrestricted energy flow for a hotter spark. So we'll see how well it works. The old one showed a little bit of signs of wear, a little bit of pitting. Didn't look too bad. The rotor was a little worn, not too bad. A little bit of wear and tear at the end part there. So we'll see how it runs. We'll give it a start, see how it runs, and then we'll reinstall the strut tower brace. I'm going to, when I reinstall the strut tower brace, I'm going to flatten it a little bit above here so it's not resting on top of the distributor cap, some of the spark plug wires like it was before. So I'm going to heat it up and kind of bend it a little bit and give it a little bit of play between the rubber booty and the strut tower brace. So we'll see how that works out.
Keeping you and your family comfortable here.
Okay guys, this motor is definitely running better with the new distributor cap and rotor. Much smoother start and very responsive. I'm going to take it for a test drive now, but it really seems to help my ignition issues. It would do a lot of just bucking and sputtering, so we'll give it a test drive, see how it works. Well guys, surprisingly, the MSD distributor cap and rotor gave me a stumble between 4,000 and 5,000 RPM on the higher RPMs. I ended up putting the Ford Motorsport one I had on there for I don't know how many miles. I ended up putting it back on, the stumble's gone. So I am going to return the MSD and get a Ford Motorsports OEM Ford distributor cap and rotor. I don't know why it was stumbling. It looks good, but I just got that stumble on the higher RPMs. I have no idea why. So I'm going to end up returning it back to LMR and exchanging it. Okay, guys, so we got our Ford Motorsport rotor and distributor cap installed. MSD was taken off. LMR ended up warranting the MSD distributor cap and rotor. I couldn't get it to work. Went back to Ford Motorsport. Car's running perfect, very responsive. You can see we cleared a little bit of the strut tower brace. He got it red hot, kind of beat on it a little bit to get a more clearance between the distributor and the top of the booty where it rests against the strut tower brace. So that worked out really good. Like I said, very responsive. Ended up working really well. So the MSD cap ended up not working well, stuck with the Ford Motorsport distributor cap and rotor. So thanks for watching the video. Please remember to subscribe and remember to keep pushing yourself to learn. Thanks for watching.